I'm going to walk you through creating what we call a playlist. And this is just like creating a playlist on your iPod, except for now we get to choose what trackers we would like to include in the session we're about to create. So for this example, we'll call it morning session. And once we've created this, we have to click in on this playlist and decide what trackers we would like to include. To do this, we click on Add Trackers and go onto our list. And now we can choose what trackers we'd like to include. So for this, maybe we'll do putting on shoes, sign comprehension, least to most, and brushing teeth. You can see as we add these at the bottom, we can always see the total number of trackers we've added to this playlist. Once we're done with that, we can escape that screen by clicking Done on the top right. And now we can get into the settings of the playlist. So if you ever want to rename or delete the playlist, we can do that on the top right. If you ever want to remove a tracker from the playlist, you can do that with the three buttons on the right side. You are also able to customize the order that the trackers are going to show up in your playlist by clicking Edit and then being able to click and drag in the order that you would like. From here, we go back into our screen, and by clicking Play, we can open up the playlist. And the very first screen we're going to see is where we can choose what targets we want to work on, whether we want to bring some up from baseline or choose the ones that we've actively already been working on. And just like in the past, we can collect data on this task analysis by going down the screen. What's really nice is we don't have to go back to that list and search for the next data sheet that we're going to go on. We can just click that forward button on the top right. If all of a sudden something happens and you'd like to take a note, we just click that pen button on the top left, and now we can record any session note that we would like. What's really nice is if you're recording data and all of a sudden a behavior breaks out, you're one click away from getting to any data sheet that you consider a favorite. So here we clicked on our star, we recorded ABC data, and we can click forward and we're just right back into that playlist. So we never lost any time. If you're wondering how to add any tracker as a favorite, you just go into your list of trackers, click on the three buttons on the right side, and click Add to Favorites. You can also randomize the order of which the trackers are showing up in your playlist. So you can see when we click Randomize Trackers up above, it automatically reshuffles the trackers that we still need to work on. And the last icon up top is the maintenance trackers. So you're always one click away from seeing any trackers that you still need to work on that are in maintenance mode. That's the general overview of playlists, and it should save you a lot of time.